first of all, it's a good, excellent training class. Two and a half days, perfect. You can get a lot of hands-on. You get to check every step by step with the followed by all the PM procedure. The only thing that I would like to see, maybe before the training, is that could send out like all the material so we can at least review it a little bit, so get familiar with the system. So when it come in, you guys start talking this and that. At least you got a little bit something to read about, what the system's supposed to do, and what, a little bit of terminology, so we understand that. So let's say if John said, okay, irrigation, aspiration, vacuum, so we know what is that meaning.
So you would like to see some overview of the system and some terminology?
Short reading material. Yes,
that's good to know. That's good feedback.
Other than that, I learned a lot in the last 5 days. Yeah, thank you. It was excellent class.